ladies and gentlemen. Today we are diving into a story that smells like old aluminum nostalgia and just a tiny hint of mystery. A 51-years-old 1973 Airstream Excella, a machine that has seen more decades than my neighbor's conspiracy theories and probably remembers when gas was cheaper than bottled water. This is not just a camper, it's a time capsule on wheels, quietly waiting in storage like it knows secrets we're not ready to hear. And before we go any further, yes, you already know what I'm about to say. Smash that subscribe button like Timmy smashes random things in his garage, hoping they become custom upgrades. Trust me, you don't want to miss stories like this because this channel is basically therapy, but cheaper and with more rusty trailers. Now, let's rewind to the early 1970s, when Airstream decided that Americans needed not just mobility, but luxury mobility. The Excella 500 entered the scene in 1971 as a limited production model designed for travelers who didn't want to rough it, but also didn't want to admit they were basically dragging a shiny apartment behind their car. Production continued until 1979, making it part of that golden era when aluminum trailers ruled highways like disco ruled dance floors. This particular 1973 example was purchased in 1974 by its original owner, who kept it for an incredible 51 years. That's longer than most marriages, and definitely longer than Timmy's last 3 combined. The trailer remained in long-term storage, preserved but not pampered, like a retired rock star who refuses to throw away his leather jacket. Today, it surfaces as part of an estate sale, carrying with it a clean Tennessee title and a story that stretches across generations. Back then, the Excella 500 targeted travelers who wanted durability, style, and a bit of bragging rights at the campground. Airstream's signature aluminum shell wasn't just for looks, it was built for longevity, which is why many of these trailers still exist today. Unlike modern RVs that sometimes age like milk, these classics age like whiskey, slowly, with character, and occasionally with a few dents. Speaking of dents, this unit has its fare. The left side shows scratches and wear. One window is cracked, and there's even a roof leak. Bob, my neighbor, would probably say it's a government-installed ventilation system to monitor aliens, but realistically, it just means restoration is needed. Still, that's part of the charm. You don't buy a project like this expecting perfection. You buy it because you want a story. Technically, the Excella 500 is a 31-foot, 372 inches tandem axle travel trailer, which in camper terms means bring a big truck and even bigger confidence. It rides on dual axles equipped with electrically actuated drum brakes, giving it decent stopping power for its size. The chassis includes a manual tongue jack, safety chains, and a wiring harness, basically everything you need to tow it, assuming you trust 50-year-old components more than Timmy trusts his DIY wiring. The 15-inch alloy wheels are fitted with older Bridgestone 7 Series tires, which, let's be honest, should be replaced unless you enjoy living dangerously. Underneath, there's visible rust on components, nothing shocking for a trailer that has spent years sitting still, contemplating life. Inside, the layout reflects classic Airstream logic. The front lounge features a corner sofa bed with floral upholstery, which feels like your grandma's living room went on vacation and never came back. Skylight windows bring in natural light, while a folding table and under-sofa storage make the space practical. Toward the rear, the bedroom offers 2 twin beds, a built-in nightstand, and an accordion-style privacy door. The carpeting has been removed, which honestly might be a blessing. Timmy once removed carpet from his van and found coins, a fork, and what he claims was emotional damage. Here, at least, you're starting fresh. The bathroom includes a shower with a seat, a toilet, a sink, and storage for toiletries. It's compact, functional, and probably more reliable than most modern apartment plumbing. This wasn't just a trailer, it was a statement that comfort should follow you everywhere, even if your driving skills don't. The polished aluminum body wasn't only about durability, it reflected sunlight, heat, and occasionally your life choices. Inside, everything was arranged with purpose: lounge up front for socializing, galley in the center for survival, and a quiet bedroom in the rear for pretending you're not sleeping in a parking lot. Now, looking at the market, the Excella 500 sits in a fascinating position. Compared to other vintage trailers of the 1970s, it offered a higher level of finish and durability, thanks to Airstream's aircraft-inspired construction. Many competitors relied on wood-heavy builds that aged, let's say dramatically. Meanwhile, Airstreams kept rolling, which is why collectors still chase them today. Modern RVs might offer slide-outs and digital panels, but they rarely match the timeless build quality of these aluminum icons. Timmy once tried comparing his homemade camper to an Airstream. His had LED lights and optimism. This has history and actual engineering. Restoration projects like this one have become increasingly popular, especially among enthusiasts who want something unique, rather than factory perfect. The unknown mechanical condition might scare some buyers, but for others it's an invitation. It's like buying a mystery novel where you also have to fix the ending yourself. Sure, there are dents, a cracked window, missing trim, and that charming roof leak, but every flaw is part of its biography. And before we talk numbers, we have to give this machine some respect. Surviving over 5 decades under one owner is no small achievement. It's seen changing roads, changing people, and probably a few questionable fashion trends. This Excella 500 isn't just a trailer, it's proof that good design, solid materials, and a bit of stubbornness can outlive almost anything. Honestly, it deserves a round of applause, or at least a proper wash and new tires. Now, about the money, because even dreams come with invoices. Back in the 1970s, an Airstream Excella 500 would have cost several $1,000s, positioning it as a premium option in its class. Adjusted for today's value, that translates into a serious investment, roughly equivalent to tens of thousands of dollars in modern currency. At auctions today, restored or well-preserved examples can command impressive prices depending on condition, originality, and history. Projects like this one, however, usually sell for significantly less, leaving room in the budget for restoration or emotional recovery. So here we are, a 31-foot aluminum legend waiting for its next chapter. It's not perfect, it's not polished, but it's real. And in a world full of disposable everything, that's worth something. Big thanks to all the channel sponsors, yes, you, the legends who support this madness. Without you, I'd probably be reviewing bicycles and pretending they're motorhomes. And finally, a little advice. If you ever decide to buy a project camper like this, bring tools, patience, and a friend like Timmy. Just don't let him fix anything important.